This is how you delete a focus mode on your phone. Go to the settings, go to the main settings page, scroll down until you get to focus. Tap on that. You're going to see all your focus modes listed here. You can delete every single one of them except for Do Not Disturb. That does not have a delete option. I created this one called Demo just for this video, because I like my other focus modes. I want to keep them. But you tap into any one of them, scroll down to the very bottom, tap on delete focus again, and now it's gone from this list, and that focus mode has been deleted. If you want to delete more things on your phone to free up space, then this is the video for you. There are 5 or 6 hidden garbage cans and caches on your phone that you need to empty on a regular basis to keep as much free space free as possible. So check out that video next. If you got value from watching this video, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on that one.